Okay, so cloud service models, right? So in this cloud service model, mainly we are discussing about these three services. One is the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, right? So here infrastructure has a service. This service will be utilized by whom? Architectures. Okay, architects mainly they will use these services, right? Architects. And platform as a service, who will be using? Like a developers. Okay, developers, whenever they have a code, they want to deploy that or want to run that code into the website. Whenever they don't have any kind of a software to deploy that code, okay, want to check that output, here simply they can connect to the cloud and can check their code. Okay, what are the outputs and what are the drawbacks in that. Okay, like that. And next, software has a service, right? What is this software has a service? First of all, software has a service. This layer is totally belongs to whom? A user and user or clients, right? User or the client. Simply what we are doing now, whatever the applications are there, we are utilizing that services. We are not bothering about that who developed, how it was developed, where it was developed, what are the things they have involved in that. Simply we are not bothering about that all things, right? So take this teams example, man. Now we all people connected with these teams, right? It is also one of the application, right? So have you people, before connecting to this team, have you people ever and never have you taught that how this application is developed, what kind of a code they have written, what kind of a architecture they have done, choose, and how it is working. Okay, how it is working and which technology they have used. Have you bothered about these all things? No, I didn't bother about these all things. No one will be thinking about these all things. Simply what you will be doing, ma, downloading this team app, giving your credentials and utilizing the services. Okay, to utilize these services you are paying the amount, okay, like recharging the internets, okay, and utilizing the services. That's it, right? So you are not bothering about these all things, how it was developed, where it was developed, who has been done, right? So in infrastructure, okay, that is a, sorry, that is a software has a service, ma. Simply applications like a Gmail, Facebook, YouTube, down directly we are downloading and utilizing the services. Whatever we have utilized, for that only we are paying, right? So we are not at all bothering about that, how develop, who develop, what kind of is softwares they have used. Okay, these all things we are not bothering, right? These are the examples for this software has a service, right? And platform has a service. You will be developing the code, ma. Okay, you will be developing the code. Now you don't have that particular software, ma. Python code you have written. Okay, you don't have Python software in your machine. What you will be doing, will be connecting to one browser and selecting the online compiler. Whatever the code is there, you will be writing in this and you will be running that code, and immediately you will be getting the output and checking that, right? Means without any installation, okay, without anything. Here cloud is providing a platform to the developers, right? Infrastructure as a service means architects, they will be developing, they will be deploying everything. Whenever they are, they need huge number of resources, networks, bandwidth. Okay, at that time they will be switching to these cloud services and utilizing the services, right? So these are the cloud service models, ma. So we'll see one by one how. So as I said that software has a service, this layer is totally belongs to whom, ma? Clients or the users. The best examples are like Google Drives, okay, OneDrive, okay, many, Microsoft Office, Gmail, okay, Gmail, Dropbox, YouTube, this Teams app, whatever the application you are downloading and utilizing, that's it, ma. Okay, that all application will comes under the software as a service. So in software as a service, for example, this is our Gmail. What you people are doing, simply you are opening your mail and login in that and utilizing, right? Login in, just using the services. You are not bothering how it was developed, okay, which code they have written. Have you ever thought that ఈ code ఎలా రాశారు? Okay, have you checked this view page source code? If you see this all views code, how that page has written, okay, in this way it will be written, okay, mail, whatever the code will be there. Have you ever checked which technology they have used, which language they have used? Okay, never we won't check these all things. Simply cloud is providing the services, I am utilizing, for that only I am paying. Okay, so that is the software as a service, ma. Okay, that is the software as a service. Mainly this layer belongs to whom? Clients or the users. Okay, clients or the users. This layer belongs to whom? Clients or the users. Next, coming to the platform as a service. Okay, this layer is totally belongs to the developers, right? So it will be providing some platforms. Okay, so who will what will be the examples? Like Microsoft Azure. Okay, Microsoft Azure, some platform, Amazon, okay, Google. This all comes under this. They will be providing you a platform so that you can deploy there and run there and check the output, okay, without installation of the software in your particular machine. Okay, this service will be provided by the platform as a service. Yes, I have shared my screen. Wait. Hmm. Actually, I am writing on that screen only. Uh, just a minute. Yeah. Is it visible now? Is it visible? My screen is visible now. Can anyone? G6. Are you able to see my screen now? Yeah, yeah. Thank you, ma. I have shared my screen. Still it is problem. I have shared my screen. Are you able to see? Okay, ma. I think network issue from your side once you check. Okay, let it be. Indaka poindi gani. Okay, so these are the layers, ma. Okay, in this cloud service model we are having the three layers, right? One is the software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, right? So software as a service, I said that Gmail. Okay, Gmail app, what we are doing, ma, directly we are going to that Gmail. I have shown this site also. Have you seen or not? I don't know. Once again I will show you. Okay, this is our Gmail service. Directly what we are doing, going to that and utilizing. We are not at all bothering how it is developed, who it is developed, in which language they have read. Okay, we never bother, right? If you want to view this source code, you can view its source code also, ma. Okay, simply uh, yeah, you click on that, view the source page. Okay, so see the code. Okay, whatever the HTML language they have used, this is our Gmail total coding, okay. So like that it will be written. We never bothered why this program they have you written in this way, why they have tagged this type of a styles, and why they have used this type of a different tags. Okay, we never bothered about these all things. Simply what we are doing, we are using this application and we are utilizing our services. for whatever the services we have utilized, for that only we are paying the amount. Okay, we never ever bothered about that coding and development, where it is store, okay, where it is store and who developed, how it was developed. Okay, never we bothered. So the examples are for that are like a Dropbox of a Microsoft, Google Drive, okay, OneDrive, Gmail app, Facebook, Instagram, Teams. This all comes under the software as a service. Okay, software as a service. Sorry. Next, platform as a service. This layer is totally belongs to the developers. Okay, ma? Developers, whenever they have written any code in Python, okay, they don't have that Python software or any other software. Simply what they will be doing, using the online compilers in the clouds. Okay, online compilers, you will be deploying that code, running that code and getting the output. Okay, getting the output and solutions for that. That is the platform as a service, right? So this layer is totally belongs to whom? Developers, right? And what are the examples for this platform as a service? Like who will be providing? Microsoft Azure, okay, and Amazon, okay, AWS, Google, Alibaba.com, okay. Many service providers are there. They will be providing this all platform services, right? So next, infrastructure has a service, ma. Infrastructure has a service, mainly this layer belongs to whom? Architects, okay, architects. So this mainly whenever they want to deploy their applications, or they need any storage facilities, okay, or computing or resources they need in huge number, okay, at that time they will be utilizing this infrastructure as a service. Okay, so these are the three service models, okay, in the cloud, right? So this is the first, second and third. Okay, you have to draw this diagram and have to explain about this. We'll discuss one by one briefly. Okay, we'll see tomorrow the this from here. Okay, today we have seen the overview and what are the SaaS, PaaS, SaaS, and who will be providing the services. Okay, we'll discuss with good examples about the SaaS, PaaS, SaaS services, right? So before going to this class, please once check this diagram. You have to learn. You have to learn this diagram and see about these things. Okay.